Hey everyone, Karmyn with KT Vocal Studio, and today's lesson is on the hung young exercise, which is the last one in my series of the warm-up series that I have on YouTube that I started, goodness, 3 years ago. So this one particular really helps your tongue. And before we start, again, if you've not watched my Just the Basics video, please pause here, go back, so that you'll know some of the things I talk about in the studio and some verbiage I use, plus why I have you sitting down and not standing, those kind of things. So please pause here, watch that, and come back, because I'm going to move through this video like you've already done it and you know all those things. So on the hung young exercise, it can be hard to just say, and that's with any of these exercises. If they're difficult to say, take time to actually pronounce them. Hung young, and feel what's going on in your mouth. Hung young. So you have the H sound, which is the sound, and the and of course you have the y for young, and then you have the ng sound. Hung young. So hung young. So it kind of gets your tongue from out of your throat, because your tongue cannot be jammed back in your throat and do hung young. You can't do it. You want to call it the Kermit the Frog. Hi ho, Kermit the Frog here. We don't want that sound. We want that relaxed tongue in the back. So hung young. Just to say it, hung young. Hung young. They're two words that are normal in the English language. I always joke and say hung like I hung a picture on the wall, and young because usually the person in front of me is younger than I am. So this one, again, is very simple, and it's very good for when you feel like you've been singing in the stratosphere forever, that you can use this one to kind of warm down. It's an excellent warm down exercise. So we're just going to start on an A scale. Hung young. Hung young. Hung young. And as you go up, notice I'm not hung young. I'm not squeezy or doing crazy things like that, or lifting or jetting. Hung young. And I'm thinking the note. And this one's a little hard because you don't have that moment before with a G or a K or something like that, or a smooth entrance with an M or an N. It's with the H. So it's not a hung young. It's not that intense. It's just a little bit of an H. Hung young. In fact, I like for some of my students to think of the H as kind of like a pickup. Hung young. So the air puffs upwards before it comes out. Hung young. Hung young. Think backwards. Hung young. Hung young. Hung young. So it's not hung young. It's not that. It's not tiny. It's behind you. Hung young. Hung young. And your breath is very important in this too. You've got to relax all the way down. Have that easy breath. Remember we talked about not a squeezed breath, but a relaxed breath. Hung young. And that core and the H happen simultaneously at the same time. You feel like, hey, kind of support down there. Hung young. Hung young. Hung young. And notice my jaw is open, wide. It's not hung young. It's not tense. Hung young. 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 And usually about now I tell my students to keep the energy up, because it's like, oh, I'm going down and I'm almost finished, so I'm going to lose energy. Don't lose energy. Keep the energy up. Hung young. Hung young. Hung young. Hung young. We're back down to the B flat. So I know doing that fast is difficult, but when you keep doing it, especially just going hung young, hung young, and getting it into your articulators, then it'll be much easier as you move through up and down. So this is the last one of my series. So again, if you're having problems that I didn't cover, please let me know in the comments. Just be aware I can't watch everyone's video, because it's easier for me to It is easier for me to listen to people, but I do that by having a voice lesson. So please, I'm not terribly expensive, but if you need me to listen to you, I would love to have a voice lesson in just 30 minutes to figure out what part of these that you're doing, or I may even give you a different exercise if I listen to your voice and go, you know what, this exercise may be better for you to start off with. And that's what I do in my studio. I listen to where you are now, know where you want to go in the future, and give you things to start working your voice and building your voice and shaping it into the voice that you want it to be. That said, I want to make sure that everyone understands you need to develop your own voice. Don't try to sound like someone else, because there's already a Beyonce, there's already a Madonna, there's already a who's a what's it already out there, and you may sound similar to someone, and that's fine. If that's a natural way of you singing, that's great. But don't try to sing like someone else, because usually when you do that, you have to contort and do something odd that usually gives you a bad habit that may not hurt you today, but it may hurt you down the road, and you'll be that person who says, yeah, I used to sing and then I just quit. You should be able to sing well into your 60s and 70s if you are using your voice properly. So that means you've got a long way to go. All right, and if you're in your 60s and 70s and you're just starting to sing, give me a call. I'd love to help you. There's some great exercises that will help older voices start to kind of get everything together and start getting your vocal cords used to working. Again, if you've never sung before and like, oh no, or you've sung kind of off and on, there's some fantastic exercises that are for older voices that need to learn how to stretch a little bit different or something like that. So yeah, everyone's welcome in my studio from as well. I usually start about 8, younger if you're already singing, professionally especially, and there is no limit to how old who comes into my studio. So have a great day, and again, if you have any comments, please subscribe to and share this video if you liked it. All right, have a great day and enjoy singing.